Hi, good morning everyone. We shall solve some problems on degrees of freedom. This is Sachin sir. We have discussed the concept of degrees of freedom in the last class in the chapter thermal properties of matter and kinetic theory of gases. So let us solve some problems depending upon degrees of freedom. Okay, actually degrees of freedom is a number of independent ways in which a particle can move in different directions. For total energy for on each of the axis x y z according to equipartition law, we get energy 1 by 2 kt. So total energy will be 3 by 2 kt, or 3 by 2 kt, or for n number of particles it will be 3 by 2 nkt. Nk is r, so you will get 3 by 2 rt. When you differentiate this energy with respect to time, we get cv. That cv is 3 by 2 r, but Mayer's equation says that cp minus cv is equal to r, so cp becomes 5 by 2 r. If you take cp by cv, you will get atomicity as 5 by 3. So these are the things we have discussed in the last class. Please refer thermal properties or kinetic theory gases video that is prepared by Sachin sir. Okay. In the similar way, you can also calculate for diatomic molecules and triatomic molecules, etc. To calculate degrees of freedom straight away, I have given you a formula, that is degrees of freedom is equal to 3n minus c, where c is number of bond or constants, n is number of particles. See, they have given diatomic molecules. So diatomic molecule means you will definitely have molecule like this. One is here, another one is here. Example is O2, H2, etc. Here how many bonds we are having? Only one bond you are having, and there are two number of particles. So 3 into 2 minus number of bonds will be 1. So 3 into 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So answer is what? Answer is 5. Okay, this is actually a trick. You cannot find this equation in your textbook. Next, another question is asked in MPPET 1995 and BHU 1997. If degrees of freedom of a gas are F, then the ratio of two specific heat Cp by Cv is. Okay, degrees of freedom of a gas. Degrees of freedom for a gas is F. Okay, then total energy is how much? Total energy is F by 2 RT, isn't it? See, here we have got energy, total energy as 3 by 2 RT. What is 3 here? For monoatomic particle, 3 is degrees of freedom. For diatomic particle, it would have become 5 by 2 RT. For triatomic particle, it would have become 7 by 2 RT. Okay. In general, degrees of freedom in total energy will be in numerator, F by 2 RT. So if you differentiate it with respect to temperature, you will get Cv is equal to F by 2 R, isn't it? Then Cp minus Cv relation is what? Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cp is equal to Cv plus R, but Cv is what? Cv they have given, we have calculated it as F by 2 R plus R. So taking R common, you will get F by 2 plus 1 into R. This is Cp. So atomicity or Cp by Cv ratio is Cp they have given as F by 2 plus 1 R divided by, here they have given as Cv as F by 2 R. R gets cancelled. So this right hand side becomes F by 2 plus 1 divided by F by 2 here, and F by 2 here as well. If you solve it, you will get 1 plus 2 by F. Okay, that is equal to Cp by Cv, which is basically what? Basically equation first. Okay, equation first. Just pause the video or go through the video slowly, you'll get the better understanding of this problem. Okay, take the screenshot also, no problem. Next, a question is asked in AIEEE 2007, CBSE means 2010, and OJEE 2003, and various exam it has been asked. Which of the following formula is wrong? See, just by looking at the option, we can say that this is wrong because it is violation of your Mayer's equation and thermodynamic principle. What it says, Cp minus Cv is equal to R, but they have given here Cp minus Cv is equal to 2R. So definitely this is wrong. Okay. Yes. No need to calculate others also. See, look at the problem once or take the screenshot, you will get the better understanding. Pause the video and get it slowed down, you will understanding with the problems. Okay, mean kinetic energy per degrees of freedom of a gas molecule is, see what is which formula connects this energy, that is Boltzmann equipartition energy, isn't it? In each direction you are having energy 1 by 2 kt, 1 by 2 kt and 1 by 2 kt, isn't it? In total energy becomes 3 by 2 kt, but see here they have asked the energy per degrees of freedom. This is 1 degree of freedom, this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree. Per degree of freedom the total energy will be 1 by 2 kt. So your option is 1 by 2 kt. Okay, next, for a gas at non-rigid diatomic molecules, see non-rigid diatomic molecules means degrees of freedom will be 3n minus c, 2 particles and 1 constant, so degrees of freedom becomes 5. So in short, your CV energy, total energy becomes F by 2 RT. CV becomes, differentiating this, you will get F by 2 R. CP minus CV is equal to R. So CP is F by 2 R plus R. You will get CP, substitute for 5 and calculate atomicity. Okay, atomicity is what? Cp by Cv, isn't it? Substitute here 5, what you will get? 5 by 2 R plus R is 7 by 2 R. Here Cv is how much? Cv is again 5 by 2 R. So atomicity is Cp by Cv, which is nothing but 7 by 5. Okay, this is option. 7 by 5 is the option. Okay, just solve it very slowly, you will get the better understanding. Okay, next, one more question is asked in various exams. It is very important. 1 mole of ideal monoatomic gas nu is equal to 5 by 3. See, first monoatomic gas atomicity is 5 by 3. Its mole is 1 mole they have given, is mixed. It is poured into another system having atomicity as 1 by 5, atomicity as 1 by 5, and its mole is also 1 mole. It is quantity is also 1 mole, that is mu2 is equal to 1 mole. Calculate what is nu of the mixture. They want to calculate what is new mix. New mix means what? Atomicity of the mixture. See what they are using doing, they are taking 1 mole of a substance having atomicity 5 by 3, they are mixing it up with another mole of a substance which is having atomicity 1 by 5, and they are asking what is their total atomicity. Okay, see, this is a formula. This is a formula, new mix. So this is a formula you can refer. Nu 1 is quantity of a substance, atomicity divided by atomicity minus 1. This is mu2. This is mu2, quantity, mole of a second substance, and this is nu2, that is atomicity of the second substance. You will get the formula like this. Please, using this formula, calculate what is new mix. Nu 1 is 1 here, nu 2 is 1 here, and what is nu 1 and nu 2? Nu 1 is 5 by 3, and what is nu 2? Nu 2 they have given it as 1 by 5. Okay, just use these quantities and calculate this formula and solve some problems. Refer through NCERT, and we will give some assignments on solving that. You will get the better understanding of the concepts. Okay, this is Sachin sir. Okay, thank you very much.